Get up on that coolant. Get up on that coolant. How easy it was. How easy was that for you, Chris?
Pretty damn easy.
Pretty damn easy. Well, the diff? Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Here we got Chris G's car right there. We got David's car right there. We got my car right there. We got Junior's Hellcat over there. We got TL. The Lexus G35.
About to be gone today.
About to be gone. Oh, fuck! New whip, new whip, new whip. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Got the boy G35 Lexus pulling up to the scene. That's what's up! Good shit! Let's go! Oh shit! I don't know if you can see that, but he's taking. He has the bottle with him.
There's a bottle under there, dog.
Oh my! Alright. Your turn! Alright, I got the Miata coming up. Oh yeah, we out here. Out here. That's magnificent. Oh my god. Check out the damage, check out the damage. Oh goddamn, dog.
Don't worry.
Just with the squirrel? Doesn't even look like a tire anymore.
I know. Oh, there's a spare.
What? Yeah.
Wait, so what are we doing? It's exhausting here. Wait, so.
Okay. Ah! Wait! Miata, Taco Bell. You were never with us on Planning Days.
Yeah.
You guys remember this place? Planning Days place. Yee, Josh. Oh, yeah. We don't just kick it here at this spot right here with the penny board right there. You already know. Gang. Alright, so we're currently at David's pattern now, dropping off his car because David's gonna roll with Chris in the Miata. And you know, I'm just chilling here waiting for it because we're just waiting until like it gets like until it's like 6 o'clock so we can go to Chris G's house, the cabin, and grub. I heard there's a changa that lives around the streets from here. Eh? Changa. What we doing? What we
shit. Alright. So we're gonna pick up the new project car right here with EM1 David, Mr. Split. Hey, Christian, you already know. Got the Awan, got the sweetest fish, bro. You already know because David's a fat ass. Yeah. About to get this shit. About to go head out to Stockton. Oh yeah. I can't zoom in this shit. GT3. Yeah. We're almost there. Right? Yeah. Alright, check the GPS. Oh fuck. 13 miles left. We're gonna get there in 20 minutes, supposedly. Shit. This guy knocked out. Back here. Alright then, I'll show you. I guess we'll record when we're there, right?
Yeah, once we're there, shit.
Check out the car, bro. Alright.
Alright, so a little update. We're in Alexis's new whip. Oh, yeah. This is fucking tight, dog. I already know. We out here, David in the back seat. We got David, yeah. Yeah, we got David's little baby backpack right there, too, and everything.
You fall asleep back there, too?
He's gonna fall asleep back there. Yeah.
Did you guys vlog that?
Nah, we didn't. We got the new owner of Alexis's G-App right in front of us. Just cruising it around. Oh, yeah. Sitting up the gas station right now. Not major. Alright, so you already know we did the deal for my boy Alexis right here. Deal! New fucking whip. I'm not gonna show you guys a lot, but here's the new owner, Z32,
yeah.
Alexis, and David the baby in the back.
Instagram. Hey, check out the Instagram.
Check out the Instagram.
It's gonna be a Z32 underscore or dot Alexis. I'm not sure, bro. Not yet, but
yeah.
Okay.
You'll find out. I'll put it like in the description or something. But yeah, this fool got his fucking brand new car. If you guys trying to check it out, go fucking, like you said, go to his Instagram or YouTube or whatever. But
yeah,
this car is fucking beautiful, dog. I'm not gonna show you all its glory, but man, it is pretty. And now we're out to Modesto. Hey, what's up, guys? This is future Killer Chris here. I'm making this clip because throughout the video that you guys just saw, or you guys are about to see, depending where I put this video, I don't know if I'm gonna put this clip in the front or the back, but either way, I just wanted to like give more clarity and explain what happened during the day, during the vlog that you guys saw, because I know it was a little choppy and I didn't really record everything what happened. For instance, like I said, in the video we were supposed to go to Chris G's house, the cabin, but instead we had a change of plans, and I went with Alexis and David to go get his new car, or to trade his car, and I went because I had a license and I drove them. So I mean, yeah, that was that. All right, I'm gonna sit here. Hopefully a snake doesn't bite me in the ass. Alrighty, so basically, like yeah, that shit was hurting my ass. Fuck that. Anyways, so yeah, the original plan was to go to the airstrip at first, and Nacho, David, Alexis, Chris G, and like I forgot who else, they went to the airstrip first, and when they got there, unfortunately the cops showed up and that kind of ruined it. So they ended up coming back, and they told me and Chris with the Miata, they're like, oh, just meet us at the industrial. I don't know if I should have said that or not, but just meet us at the industrial. And we went there, and well, basically, you know, you saw what happened. They were getting their fucking thing. You saw the video, shit went down. Fucking Alexis was getting on it, Nacho, Chris. And yeah, basically after that, like you guys saw, we went to Taco Bell. After Taco Bell, we were supposed to... Oh no, actually, after Taco Bell, we were going to Pick and Pull, okay? We were going to Pick and Pull. And then once we got to Pick and Pull, that's when Alexis called me, and he told me that if I could, you know, take him to go trade his car, and if I could drive his old G35. And I was like, alright, yeah. So me, David, and Alexis went to go trade the car. And yeah, Alex Chris, and I believe Junior stayed at the pick and pull. I let them borrow my tools so they could get whatever they got. I don't know what they got, but well, basically from there, on our way back, the original plan was to, once we got Alexis's Z32, thinking we were gonna make it back in time, but we didn't. We got kind of late, and like my mom called me already, so you know I had to fucking go. I gotta go home. I gotta listen to the Hefa. So yeah, I ended up not going to the cabin. I think Alexis still went. I forgot what happened, but yeah, I just went home and you know I knocked out. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to make this little clip because I know some clips were like, it kind of jumped from place to place and I didn't really talk a lot. And you know, that's why I came out here. If you guys are wondering where I'm at, I'm out here. I came to fucking walk / run, mostly walk. But yeah, just because why not? It's hella fresh out here. Hella fresh. No cap, no cap. Hella fresh. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know where I'm gonna put this clip. I might, you know, piece it up, and I might, you know, put this piece in the beginning. I might put this piece right now in the ending. I don't know, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed already. Like the videos, you already know. I'm a hella try to record more with the homies and everything, cause you know, why the hell not? Make some fucking fun ass memories and just have it saved on the internet forever. You know, like tell me that doesn't sound cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.